Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Now let's make some money, ladies. 10 proven ways how to make money on Instagram, 2021. As a single mom, as one of the fastest growing social media platforms, Instagram has quickly gained over 1 billion active users. Over the past few years, it's evolved from a simple photo sharing app to a powerful marketing tool that influencers and businesses of all sizes are using to reach their target audiences. According to Instagram Business, 60% of people use this platform to discover new products, 80% of them follow at least one brand, 200 million accounts check out a business profile each day, and 66% of profile visits are from non-followers. Much like Google and Facebook, Instagram is a place where potential customers visit every single day. How to make money on Instagram? People can make big money on Instagram. The recent Hopper HQ report claims that Kylie Jenner is paid around $1.2 million for a single post on Instagram. If you're not one of the world's most well-known celebrities, your estimated earnings may vary depending on the following count, engagement, reputation, and more. In this video, we'll cover the top ways to make money on Instagram. 1. Promote affiliate links. To make money with affiliate marketing, you need to join high-paying affiliate programs so that you can add affiliate links to your Instagram and make a commission on the sales you generate. When done right, affiliate links can bring in big money. As you can see from this site's blog income reports, she brings in over $80,000 monthly, mostly from affiliate programs. To do this, look into joining affiliate networks like ShareASale, ClickBank, Awin, and Impact. You can also join individual affiliate programs, right from a company's website or by searching a company's affiliate program. Since Instagram has a solid user base of engaged people, it's a perfect place to promote affiliate links. No matter how many followers you have, you can insert a clickable link in your Instagram bio. For instance, a fashion blogger Sophie Shohet uses this feature to promote affiliate links. Since Sophie has more than 10,000 followers, she can also create clickable Instagram stories. And here's how she promotes affiliate links within her posts and on her profile. Instagram followers pay close attention to Instagram posts, so using captions to tell about affiliate marketing links is a great way to grab the attention. However, all links in Instagram posts are non-clickable, so adding a URL isn't the best idea as readers have to copy the link manually from your text. It's better to write a call to action, inviting your readers to click on the link in your bio. One note is that it's important to disclose affiliate links since you get a commission on each sale. 2. Sell physical and digital products. Over the last few years, Instagram has turned into a strong sales generator for e-commerce brands. Since people do use Instagram to discover and buy products, they rolled out more business account features like in-app checkout, the shop button, product tags, and shoppable stickers to make the shopping process easier. One brand new tool you can use to sell products from Instagram is Square. This tool takes Instagram posts from your feed and turns them into a fully shoppable website. 3. Simple steps to connect your Instagram account to Square. Tag items in your Instagram posts you want to sell. Click publish and launch your website. As it's tough to sell products online from Instagram alone, it's a great idea to also have a website. And this new tool from Square makes this super easy. You can get started with Square for free and just pay transaction fees. Then you can upgrade to a paid plan when you're ready to build a website with your custom domain. For other options, you can look into choosing an e-commerce platform or website builder to launch an e-commerce website, then use Instagram as another marketing channel. If you're a beginner, you could also start a dropshipping business so you don't have to ship your products or handle returns. Another option is to learn how to sell on Amazon and promote your products on Instagram that way. Either way, you need to add links to your content in your Instagram account. Just write a call to action and include a website link so that interested followers can learn more about your offer. And if you have switched to an Instagram creator account, you can create shoppable posts to sell physical products in-app. Check out how Katie Sturino did it. From cheap cosmetics and second-hand clothes to luxurious apartments and expensive cars, People buy all kinds of products on Instagram. No matter what you sell, your potential customer is probably there. However, it's important to find your niche and look at the competition by searching for hashtags and keywords you want to target. 4. Publish sponsored posts. Influencer marketing is on its rise. According to Social Toaster, 92% of individuals trust word-of-mouth recommendations. 76% of people say that they're more likely to trust content shared by common people than brands, and 82% of customers want to get referrals from friends before making a purchasing decision. Simply put, people seek out peers' recommendations, so it's no wonder more and more brands reach out to influencers to get shoutouts for their brands. Since users crave transparency on Instagram, all influencers need to disclose sponsored posts, according to the Federal Trade Commission guidelines for online advertising. And here's all how a sponsored post may look like on Instagram. Daphne Nur-Oz is a popular TV host with over 387k followers, so it's no wonder that big brands like J.Crew reach out to her for a chance to enter an already established community of engaged Instagrammers. Want to know the best part? There's no need to have a solid following to start making money with sponsored posts. When choosing the right influencer, most brands pay close attention to the engagement rate, so even big brands like Dunkirk want to work with nano and micro influencers. Since these influencers have in-person interactions with the majority of their subscribers, they deliver better results, which means you can get an offer even if you have less than 1,000 followers count on Instagram. 5. Become a brand ambassador. Sponsored posts work well on Instagram, but most companies want to establish long-term relationships with influencers, so they seek out brand ambassadors who can promote a company in a positive light regularly. Since Instagram is the most preferred channel for influencer marketing, it's a perfect place for users to find brand ambassador programs and collaborate with companies to promote their products. Large brands also frequently send free products to influencers so they can review and promote them. For example, Jay Alvarez is a lifestyle blogger who posts photos and videos on his Instagram and YouTube channels. With a highly engaged community of over 6 million loyal followers, brands are eager to build a long-term partnership with him. Not only do brands invite Jay to become a brand ambassador, but they also offer him to create capsule collections and co-branded products. In 2018, he designed a travel and luggage bag line for the Norwegian company Douchebags. Most brand ambassadors sign contracts with brands to promote their products. And to get better results, brands need to find an influencer who has a following that represents the target audience. For ambassadors, this means a great opportunity to make money, as the standard salary for a brand ambassador is somewhere in the $40,000 to $50,000 range. Micro-influencers in a specific niche is often more valuable to brands than major celebrities as they have a more engaged audience. 6. Create visual content for sale. It's no secret that Instagram is a visual platform. People upload 100 million photos and videos daily. However, it's not enough for brands to upload overly polished professional photos of their product to stand out from the crowd. Modern customers crave authenticity, so they pay close attention to user-generated content. Most consumers believe that UGC is 35% more memorable than other media, so businesses of all sizes want to publish content created by their customers. Simply put, it's your opportunity to sell photos and videos you create. When it comes to the travel industry, companies of all sizes invite real travelers to take photos showcasing their experiences while staying at brand properties in exchange for free accommodation and payment. Publishing user-generated content in the travel industry gives great results. For example, a small town in New Zealand, Wanaka, achieved a 14% increase in tourism after working with Instagram influencers who shared the images of the city on their profiles. However, I don't recommend this approach unless you have a huge following. There's nothing more annoying to hotel owners than a fake influencer asking for a free stay. 7. Provide social media marketing services. It's no secret that Instagram has strong sales potential, so more and more brands want to use this platform to promote products, reach out to the target audience, and increase sales. According to Business Instagram, over 25 million businesses and 2 million advertisers are on the platform. The competition is growing, so brands need professional assistance if they want to cut through the noise. In other words, social media marketing services are in great demand. 8. Write captions for businesses. The days when only big brands could afford Instagram marketing are far behind us. Today, brands of all sizes want to use this platform to promote their products and services, and 92% of small businesses plans to invest more time and effort in social media marketing. While big brands have a great in-house content creation staff, small business owners often seek out freelance talent to reduce social media marketing costs. Thus, they often want to find creative specialists who write captions for their businesses at a low cost. Take a look at the most popular online workplaces like Freelancer and Upwork, and you will find hundreds of offers like the one below. To get a full-time job offer, you need to prove that your application stands out from the crowd, and the best way to do it is to show your social media marketing writing portfolio. Plus, you need to run your Instagram page creatively so that interested employers can see examples of captions you write. The more creative and engaging your captions are, the more potential clients you can hook. 9. Make Instagram stories masks and filters. Back in 2016, when Instagram copied Snapchat short-lived content and launched Instagram stories, no one could have predicted the booming popularity of this content format. Today, over 500 million people watch or create Instagram stories daily. Since this type of content is available for a limited period, people are highly engaged, and it gives brands more opportunities to hook their target audience. What is more, companies create Instagram stories, masks, and filters to prove their niche expertise and promote their products. While some companies have in-house designers who create filters for their brand, other brands want to collaborate with talents who specialize in Instagram masks and filters, and if you're interested in creativity, you can build an income stream on Instagram, as the Spark Studio allows all users to create filters for Instagram stories. For example, Brent Cardenas uses her Instagram to promote Instagram filters she creates. 10. Find freelance clients. Instagram is not just about posting cute photos of your puppy. Since we've hit the 1 billion active Instagram users milestone, it has become a wonderful platform for networking, especially for people in the creative fields. Today, more and more professionals use this platform as an online portfolio. No matter what you do for a living, whether you're a filmmaker, ghostwriter, or public speaker, you can utilize Instagram to find clients. Thank you for watching, and we here at Single Moms Make Money hope this video brings value to you. Please hit the like button and share this video with others.